Hi ladies, today's video is so important because let's be honest, if a man doesn't miss you, he may love you, but frankly he doesn't like you. Does that make sense? Go in the comments and let me know. So let me say that again. If a man is not capable of missing you, he may be in love with you, he may be in partnership with you, but he doesn't like you. So today's video is so important because we need to know if the guy likes you. And so what we're going to do today is 3 playful ways to make him miss you. So not only are we going to learn some fun ways to make him miss you, but when we do these things, let's see if he actually does miss you. I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach, the most efficient dating coach in the country. All right, so number 1 is keep your priorities important. This is huge. Let's say you have yoga class at 6 p.m. and then he calls and asks you for a date that night at 6 p.m. Some women that are really motivated to see their guy, motivated for love, are going to cancel yoga to go on that date. No. You need to keep your priorities important. If you love yoga and you've made time to organize going to that class, you got to go to that class. And this is sexy. As a man, we have respect for a woman that says, hey, I've already got plans.
5 o'clock, solve world hunger. Tell no one. 5:30, jazzercise. 6:30, dinner with me. I can't cancel that again. 7 o'clock, wrestle with my self-loathing. I'm booked.
Now, on top of this, if you're a busy woman that has a lot of things set up and it's maybe a little bit harder to get access to you, so he asked you out, and of course you do find some time for him, but finally when he does find that time when you are free to go out, he's going to appreciate that time even more. Be like, I've got a busy woman with a great life, and she's giving me her Friday evening, or she's giving me my Tuesday evening. So when he does get there, he's going to be like very excited and appreciative that you made time for him. All right, number 2, a weekend away with girlfriends. This is so powerful because it's really communicating a few things. You've got an amazing friend group. That is so attractive from the male perspective because there's a lot of women that have trouble maintaining female relationships. Sometimes women can be catty. And so showing that you don't have catty friends, you have amazing supportive friends that are so amazing that you want to go on vacation with, this is very encouraging. Then he's going to see, maybe you post some pictures of you and your girlfriends having fun on this vacation. And he's going to be like, wow, like she looks stunning. She's having so much fun. I want to be having fun with her. So this may encourage him to say, hey, when you get back, I want us to plan a vacation away. All right, number 3 is give him encouragement. So as men, we probably have a decent amount of male friends. When we have something big happening, male friends, we're not great at being supportive. Like, we're not going to get a number of messages from our male friends saying, hey, good luck at that meeting. That's more of a feminine touch typically. So having an amazing partner within you that says like, hey, I know you have that big meeting on Thursday. You're going to kick butt at it. Go get him. Go get him, Tiger. When you're not around, if maybe you go on a break or maybe he's away, he's going to start missing what you used to provide. And that's support and encouragement. And his male friends are never going to be at the level that you can provide that. That's not in kind of like their makeup. we're not here to just keep boosting our friends. Like, we might a little bit, but women are much better at showing support. And so he is going to miss you if you're not there to do that. All right, team. Those are your 3 powerful ways to make him miss you. Remember, core concept, absence does make the heart grow fonder. So to reiterate some of our concepts again, number 1 is keep your priorities important. Remember, that's if you had a yoga class, you go to it. So absence makes the heart grow fonder. Number 2, a weekend getaway with the girlfriends. Show off your independence. And then number 3 is give him encouragement. Something his male friends probably can't do very well. Those are your 3. We will have more videos here and here if you want to keep watching. As always, love you. We'll see you next video.